Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will going to explain you how to assign resources and cost load your project in Primavera P6. So without further ado, let's just get started into the P6. So first of all, I would like to explain you or walk you through from the scratch, that is from how to create the project. So for example, I'm just giving this project as a tariff project. Okay, and then I'm just giving a code. So make sure you're giving code to your projects. Okay, and then from here I'm just go here, and from here calendar, just ABC calendar, which is a 5 hours work week. I mean 5 days work week in a week, and then 8 hours per day. Okay, now this open project, when you open project, you will not going to see anything here. So what you need to do is you just go to the project, click on WBS. From here start creating the WBS. So I'm just creating ENG, then PRO, then CON, and then we have COM. So I'm just giving you an example, and you can just create the WBS as per your project requirements. Just click on refresh. Okay, so now just start creating activities here. So I'm just creating 3 activities in each and every WBS. Just copy it from here, then paste. Okay, then again copy it here, then paste, again copy it here, and then paste. Okay, so just name this activity as A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, then we have C4, uh, not C, it's D, right? D1, D2, D3. Okay, now it's done. Now you need to assign the calendar. So calendar is already done, you don't need to do that thing again. And now just link all of these activities, link, and now just decide the numbers. So here, um 10 days, 20 days, 40 days, 5 days, uh, 60, 50 days, 100 days, 80, 100 is 80, 80, 120. Okay, now just click schedule from here. Now you're going to see this. Okay, now just change any of the activity. For example, I'm just changing it to start, then schedule. Okay, and this is also start schedule, then here also start schedule. um Here I'm just changing to 40 minutes, and then start schedule, and this would also be start schedules. Okay, so I just change all the linkages here, and then I want this to be as a start milestone. So go to general, start milestone, and then last one as the finish milestone. So I've already explained you what are activity types and what are their meanings. You can just go and watch my video. Okay, and then what happened? And then predecessor. Okay, so from here you can remove the link and want to see link, you can just click here relationship lines. Okay, I just want to see the relationship lines so that I can see how it works. Okay, now you want to create so this is done, you have assigned the calendar also. Now what you need to do is just go to enterprise, click on this enterprise, click on, and then create AB, then again create AB1, then create AB2, finish. Okay, AB is a labor, and this we can just make it to 150 hour per day. And from here you can change it to 8 hours per day. Okay, and then when you go to here, change the calendar here also to ABC, and then here also ABC. Okay, units. So I'm just, so this is a non-labor. So for non-labor also it works on a standard rate. For example, you need a crane, that crane works $100 per hour, and that crane can work 10 hours a day. Okay, then we have AB2, this is material labor. Okay, so here you can just change like you 20 hours per ton. So what you can do is you can just change the units, go to the details, and from here you can just change it to tons. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, and then go to detail, general, codes detail, and here change calendar to ABC. Okay, now from here, now start assigning resources, go to the resources, and then here add resources. So I want to add AB here, AB everywhere, because this is a common resource that will going to work everywhere. So AB again, AB again, AB again, here also AB, AB. Okay, so this we can't assign resources, go finish and then start milestone. So for this activity, we would need this non-labor and then material also. Okay, this is done. Now what you need to do is you need to assign. Okay, so there are two ways. So for example, this is 20. Okay, so what Primavera P6 has done, Primavera P6 has auto calculated the budgeted units. For example, you have given 20 durations, and that is 8 hours a day, so 160 hours, right? See, so here you can see 160 hours, so it's just multiply 20 into 8 hours. Okay, now if you want to change it, so there are two ways here. From this resource you can change like 100, you need 100 hours, and for this there's another way. From here you can go and click on labor units, and then you can just select 30 hours need, and here you need 10, sorry, 10 hours. This you need 20 hours. This you need 30 hours. This you need 50 hours. Okay, then this you need 60 hours. Okay, this you need 80 hours. This you need 10 hours. Actually, Pam is auto calculated this number, that's why you're seeing these numbers here. 20 hours. Okay, this is done. So for this activity here, different resources, 20 hours for this, 40 hours for this, and then 10 turns. Okay, now this is done. Now if you can see here, so this is the budgeted unit 65, and then BL. So now the next step is assigning the resources. First you need to maintain, just add, then make a copy of this, and then just name as an initial planning, then close, then again, then assign, and then from here click this assign. Okay, so you have now assigned the baseline. So now you can see, now click on the schedule. Okay, now you can see budgeted and the BL are same because you have not updated your project yet. And then this is a 410 total labor units, 410 total labor units, and this is non-labor units. And for the material, you have not assigned any units because that is a material. Okay, you don't need any units. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you are liking my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In my next videos, I will be upcoming with the most important part of this career, which is how to update your progress in the project, which is the most important, because this is of no use if you're not updating your project or tracking anything. Okay, so stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Bye.